What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZN118495. And you can see it right over here. You can also see the size, which is 22.9. The ET is 18 degrees. The PCD is 6.139.7. And the camber is 78.1. And these are our matte gray with aluminum forged beadlock. And these are some of our heavier rims. And honestly, I love these more than our regular rims, besides lifting them, of course, because they are a little bit heavier than the rest of our rims. But let's go ahead and get this open. And by the way, guys, these are our TRX Beadlock rims. Once I get it open, you'll be able to see the beadlock. Now these are beadlock style rims, not full-on beadlock rims like our 3-piece rims are, if you want to go order those instead. Now all of our rims will come pre-wrapped in plastic along with an edge guard to protect your rim. Now let's go ahead and get the protective cover off so you guys can see the forged rim. And honestly, I love these rims so much, especially with the bead lock on here, which just helps keep your tire on and that bead locked in place, especially if you're going on high banks or really ripping into your tires by taking sharp turns or anything like that. Now, these are up on our Vicrez website if you want to go check them out or place an order for some. And we are actually running a sale on these right now. They may not be on sale once this video goes up, but always check back for more sales on other items or rims themselves. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.